Hi guys, welcome back to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install this cruise control switch on this 2015 Corolla. This model is a CE model, so it doesn't have any cruise control option. So I'm gonna, I just took this part from the junkyard from like a LE or a sports model Corolla. So I'm gonna show you how to install it. So I've already removed this airbag assembly. It's easy. I'm gonna show you. So underneath this steering wheel, we got, like, I hope you guys can see this, one hole here, the second one is here, and the third one is when you open this, like, I'll show you, this flap, then you can access this side. So basically what you're gonna do is, just insert this flathead screwdriver and trying to, just push this springy thing over here, and gonna release this round knobs that holds the airbag assembly. And same thing once you got this, and then this. So after that, you're gonna install this cruise control switch and just plug it over. I hope you can just see that. Just plug it, and then just, where's the screwdriver? So we're gonna secure the lever with this 2 Phillips screw here. So one will go here and the other one will just go right there. So guys, as you can see, I've already tightened this 2 Phillips screws here. And one thing you're gonna make sure is when you grab the cruise control switch, you need to take this part as well, because you can't put the previous one, or maybe you can just put a hole or drill a hole here, but I just took the other. So I just slide it, and okay, all good. So before I permanently install this airbag assembly, just want to make sure this cruise control thing works. Wow, I'll just turn on the switch. Okay, there you go, it's working. So I'm gonna go for a test drive and try to use the cruise control, if it's working or not. So guys, it's time to test it. So let's see. So I've turned it on. Okay, there we got the light. So once you got 50 kilometers and above, and we'll try to set it. So it's working, guys. It's all good. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.